Yup, it's like Wednesday morning, 28th. I need to go back to work. Oop, camera getting fogged up, but listen. Today I'm about to go try to get my Landstar DOT inspection done. I'm at home. I ain't found a load to leave out yet. I've been back since like Monday afternoon. Tuesday, I slept most of the day. Wednesday, I'm trying to get productive. Get my Landstar DOT inspection done. I'm waiting on an Uber now to come pick me up to take me to go get it done. And we'll see what happens, because this place, I try not to go to different places to get my Landstar DOT inspection. It's like a couple places I always go. But this time, it's like I'm running out of time because it got to be done by Friday, the 30th. So, I'm about to go to this place called AAA something in Bridgeton, Missouri, and see what they say, see what they can do for me. Called yesterday, they told me to come early. So it's like, what, 7 something now? I gotta go try to start my truck up because my truck been sitting for a while. So, I don't know, man. It's just a lot we got going on this morning. We're gonna see how that goes. So I'm gonna check in with y'all throughout the day while we make these moves and be great. Rolly. Okay.
Purchase your tracks today.
Woo, let's turn this baby on. We ain't drove you in a while. Kill switch. Let's see if you'll start. Yeah. All right, all right, all right. Let's do a little walk around, man, 'cause it's been sitting. All we doing is going up to like 10 to 15 miles to Bridgeton, Missouri, getting this DOT inspection. Make sure ain't nobody broke into the truck and trailer. Even when my truck is empty, I keep a lock on there, no matter what, just in case. And I make sure I always put it up against this, so can't nobody go inside. But right now we look good. Get in there, check the gauges now to make sure everything cool, and then head and go get this DOT inspection. It's pretty loud right now. The truck next to me. Everything on the outside look good. Just check the gauges. Gauge is looking pretty good too, so you about to just go try to get this inspection. Everything should be cool. Last few weeks I've been working and driving, I ain't heard no leaks, no nothing. My tires and stuff in good shape. So I'm about to go over there and see what they say. Pass, keep it moving, be good for another 3 or so months. We go from there. Rolly. like this is they specialize in trailers or something here. But on the Landstar website, I know it said that this is an inspection site to do inspections. So hopefully they can get me in and get me out quick. But I don't know. We about to see. We definitely about to see how this about to be. I'm trying to get a Landstar DOT inspection
For
my trailer. I mean tractor. I'm sorry, tractor.
give me 1 second.
Bug?
Yeah.
You got a bug? You don't. Oh, you do have a trailer.
You need me to drop my trailer?
You'll have to drop your trailer. Drop your trailer in this front line, and then I'll come out and I'll tell you where to go to.
It look like they about to straight get me right on in here. That's what they look like. Got to drop my trailer in this front line over here. I be nervous when it's time for these inspections. I'm not gonna lie. Even though I stay good on my preventative maintenance, I be scared as hell. So let me go drop this trailer and figure out where they want me to go, and then I'm gonna check in with y'all after that rolling.
Pull on over to Bay 1, and I'll see if he's ready to go in there.
Okay. Bag it in or just pull it in? You want me to bag it in or just pull it in?
Probably pull in.
Okay.
Just hang there. I'll tell him when he's ready to open the door, and then you go on over
Okay.
there.
All right.
He might be cleaning up in the front.
Okay. Yeah. So far, all the lights are good. Air horn works. City horn works. Brake light works. Four ways works. Flashes works. High beams works. So now I think they about to go up under the hood. Alright, child, we official. We passed this mud. I ain't trying to focus on show too much on information, but we good to go. So yeah, time to roll out, man. I'm about to head back, park my truck at the truck stop, and go to the crib. Look for me some lows today, tomorrow, maybe Friday, and get back on the road. Vacation over. Time to get back to the shmoney. So I'm gonna see how once we get to the truck stop, hop in the Uber, then go pick up the quad and keep it moving, rolling. Alright, y'all, so we done for the day. Now that I'm officially good to start back rolling, waiting on them to send me the email to say that everything's clear, my inspection passed, as y'all seen, and I can get back to working or whatever. So official. We got our DOT inspection done. We don't got to do another DOT inspection until 11/25/2021. That's 120 days from now. I think it's like 3 or 4 months or something like that. So shout out to Landstar, man. We good to go for another 120 days. Let's get this money. I'm out here at one of my high school friends' grand opening. Her restaurant, Sistagirl Sweets, open from 12 to 8. Supporting my people, I got the fried salmon strips, a vegan burger, party wings, and 4 Sistagirl sweet blueberry lemonades. Came out to $79.99. Made sure I tipped the young lady at the window. Shout out to Sistagirl Sweets. So.
Later that same evening.
Sitting out here in front of Lily job. 6:53. She's supposed to get off at 7 diesel, 7 o'clock. I'm ready to go. I miss Lily. We about to go to the movies in a second. Let's see what she's doing, y'all. Liliska, what you doing, Liliski? Is you gonna answer? I'm right outside, Liliski. Liliski, answer the phone for me. Let's try her other phone. Hello, Liliski. What are you doing?
Finishing my last head.
What are you doing to your last head?
A ponytail.
Okay. Alright. Bye. Yeah, well, she's doing somebody's ponytail. So I guess I'm gonna sit out here and watch TikTok. Hey, if y'all on TikTok, follow me on TikTok right here. Memories by TB. Follow me on TikTok. I'm a visual guy. I like to make videos.
Gotta say,
that's where we was at today. We was in Miami. We was at Miami. Something me and Lily did. When we was in Jamaica. When I was in Jamaica. When I was getting a haircut by Drizzy. Follow me on TikTok. Memories by TB. You heard me? Rolling.